Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech with Aarti. Today I have got an amazing package from Amazon. This package is all about the company Truke. It's a German company and it produces headphones, earbuds, etc. So today I am going to review Truke's Fit Pro Power True Wireless Earbuds. So let's have a look at its unique features. So let's see what's come in this package. I'm going to unbox it and see what is it. So here is our Truke Power Pro, the earbuds which I was talking about. So this says it's a second generation dolphin design and Truke Power Fit Pro Bluetooth earphones is with mic and comes with improved unique dolphin shaped kind of a design. So let's do the unboxing quickly. You have to open over here the package. So as you all can see, here comes the package. It says Truke. The design is quite, so let me try this out in my ears and show you how it fits. I'm going to fix this in my right ear and this on my left. I feel this is pretty comfortable for me as the shape says dolphin design and then it's not falling even if I shake my head. So here I recommend you this product and you can try buying it through Amazon through various discounts. This product has a discount right now in Amazon and it is costing only 1099 rupees. So here comes our Truke, which is the best for me in my work